So today I'm going to be talking about two things that once you know, you can crochet a hat in any size using any stitch with any yarn. So the two things I'm going to be talking about are size and how to increase in order to get the size for your crochet hat. So you could use chunky yarn like this one, you could use really thin yarn, you could use just a worsted weight yarn like this one, and then I use the recommended crochet hook according to the yarn that I'm using. So if I was going to be using this chunky yarn, then I would use, for the crochet hook, it recommends that you use a 9mm. So if I were going to be crocheting a hat with this yarn, I would use the 9mm and follow the increasing chart. Same goes with this one. I would use the recommended crochet hook size for that one. For this one, the Bernay Giggles yarn, it's recommended to use a 5mm or an H hook. So that's what I'm going to be using today to demonstrate this for you. Okay, so the first thing you should know when crocheting a hat is to understand the sizing. So I have provided for you in the link below a sizing chart, and it's in US standard American terms. So for a 0 to 3 month baby, the head measurement in inches is 13 to 14 inches. The crown size is 5 inches, and the hat height size is 4.5 to 6 inches in height. So if you follow those guidelines, you will in turn create a 0 to 3 month baby hat size. So let's talk about the hat crown size, because that's the important part of when you're starting out the crocheting. So I'm going to take my trusty mannequin head here and just show you. So the hat crown size is like a crown, just like it says. So a crown would sit kind of on the top of your head as such. So that's what we're going to be creating with our increases, and then we'll work our way down to create the circumference of the head. And in order to create the circumference of the head, so if you were working and you wanted to make a hat size for a 0 to 3 month old, so the hat circumference would need to be 13 to 14 inches. So you would take your measuring tape, and on the inches side, just above the ears, kind of where the hat would lay or sit, you would take your measuring tape and just measure in inches. So my trusty mannequin here has a 20-inch head circumference. So that's what we would put for the hat measurement size. Or you could go by the age guideline as well. So usually a 0 to 3 month old baby would have a 13 to 14 inch circumference. So let's get started with creating. So I like to start my hats with a magic ring, and if you don't know how to do a magic ring, I do have a tutorial for that I'll put in the link below. So you can use any stitch. So for this demonstration I'm just going to be using a double crochet to show you, but you could use single crochet or half double crochet or mix it up, do some single, some half, some whatever your design is. And I like to start in my magic ring with 10 because it gives me the easiest increase, which I'll explain to you here as soon as I get 10 into my magic ring. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we'll do one more here for 10. So we'll close up our circle. And I do have a blog about this as well. So if you wanted to refer to the blog and written instructions, I'll put the link to that as well below. So I would join with my slip stitch. Now for the increase. When I'm increasing, when I've started with 10, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in each stitch around, I'm going to put 2 double crochets, and that will give me 20 double crochets. So it'll just be your 10 times the 2. So 1, 2, and in each stitch around, see, I'm just adding 2 in each stitch. There's 18, and 2 more is 19, and there's 20. Join with a slip stitch. Okay, so now I've got 10 on the first round, 20 on the second round. Now for my next round, I'm going to increase to make it 30. I do this by, in the first stitch, doing 2 double crochets in it, and then going into the next stitch, just adding 1. So that'll make 3 stitches. So 2 and 1 is 3. So then the next one, I would just add 2 into that next stitch, and then another just 1 into the next stitch. And as you can imagine, working by 3s, so 2 and 1 is 3, just to keep increasing like that. So 3 multiplied by 10 gives you the 30 when you work your way around. Then for the next round, once we get there, we would do 2 in the first one, and then 1 single, and then another one in the next one. So it would be 2, 3, 4. That would give you 4 times your base 10 is 40. And you would carry on as such until you get to the crown size of the hat that you're making. So let's get finished this one and meet me back, and I will show you what I mean by measuring out the crown size. Okay, so here we are. We've now got 30 stitches around. So we want to check what the crown size is, and by doing that, we just lay our work down nice and flat, and then you take your measuring tape and you just check to see straight across the middle what your measurement is. So my measurement here is 3 1/4, and on my hat sizing chart here, I want the crown size to be 3.5 to 5 inches. So I'm going to add another round and see what the crown size measurement is at that point. So now we've got 10, 20, 30 stitches. I'm going to increase another round, and I'll do that here by, in the first stitch, I'll put 2 double crochet, and remember you can use whichever stitch you want. And then in the next stitch, I'll just do 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch, 1 double crochet, which will make 2, 3, 4. And I'll continue that pattern all the way around. So the next stitch will be 2, so there's 1 and 2 in that stitch. The next one will be 3 and then 4. So I'm going to continue that pattern all the way around, and I'll meet you back up at the beginning of the round. Okay, so here we finished our increased round. We've got 10, 20, 30, and then 40. I'm going to remeasure to see if it's suitable for the crown size for 0 to 3 month old. So here I would lay my work flat, right across the middle. I would take my measuring tape, and now it's measuring at 4 inches. So on my chart it says 3.5 to 5 inches is suitable for a 0 to 3 month old. So now I don't need to increase any. I'm going to stay doing 40 all the way around until I reach my hat height. So I'm going to go ahead and work that out, and then I'll meet you back when I've got the right hat height, and I'll show you how to measure that. Okay, so here we are. we have maintained our 40 stitch count, and we've just knit in the round and kept going until we're at about the height we think is what we need. So here I'm going to stop, and at this point I'm going to show you how to measure the hat height. So you just want to fold your hat in half as such, take your measuring tape, and then from the little circle from where you started down to where you've ended here, I've got 5 inches. So on my 0 to 3 month chart, it says that my height should be 4.5 to 6 inches, so 5 inches is good. It's right in the middle. It gives me a little room if I wanted to add maybe another round of just single crochet, just to kind of make it look trimmed up. And at this point, creativity is all it needs. You could add some eyes and make it look like Cookie Monster. You could add some ears. You could embroider on the name of the baby you're making it for. The possibilities are endless at this point. So once you have the base of your little hat, you know the sizing that you need for the age, and again I'm going to put that link for the PDF printout. You can print it out and you'll know the size that you need for any age. Once you know the size, and then how to basic increase, so starting with your 10 and then adding 2 stitches in each one around for 20, adding 2 and then 1 to make 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 2 and then 1 is 4. That's 4 times your base 10 is 40, and you would keep going like that until you reached the crown size that you needed for the head, and then from there you just keep knitting in the round down. So that's it. I hope that this helps. I would love to see any of the items that you make. You can tag me on Instagram, follow me. I'll put the links to my Instagram and Twitter, and be sure to subscribe.